In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Genshin Impact password safely vertical bar, full tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete each verification step without getting stuck. First, open your web browser and head to the official Hoyoverse account website. This is where you manage your account details securely. Once the page loads, look for the login option and click it. You'll be asked to enter your username or the email associated with your account. Type that in carefully, then enter your current password. When you're ready, click Login to access your account dashboard. After you're signed in, find and select Password and Security. This section contains your account protection settings. On the security page, locate the password area and click Update. To confirm it's really you, the site will send a verification code. Click Send to trigger that code to the email linked to your account. Keep your inbox open and watch for a message from Hoyoverse. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a moment and check your spam or junk folder. Before the code arrives, you may see a CAPTCHA challenge. Complete the CAPTCHA as prompted to prove you're not a bot. When the prompt appears, click OK to proceed. Now, go to your email, copy the verification code you received, and paste or type it into the verification field on the website. Make sure there are no extra spaces, and remember that codes expire, so enter it promptly. Then click Next to continue. You'll now create your new password. Enter a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to make it harder to guess. In the next field, re-enter the same password to confirm there are no typos. Take a second to double check both entries match exactly. When everything looks good, click Confirm. That's it. Your Genshin Impact password has been updated. For best results, sign out and back in on any devices where you play to make sure the change syncs correctly. If you didn't receive the verification email, check your spam folder, wait a minute, and try sending the code again. Using a password manager can help you securely store your new password and avoid reusing old ones. And if you're on a shared or public computer, be sure to log out when you're done. Thanks for watching and stay safe with your game accounts.